Some more examples in the case of simplification here. The next example, what you take, it's nothing but 4 by 7 of 441 divided by 18 plus 14, that is equal to square root of x. That x I'll take it as x, question mark I'll take it as x. And here also we'll follow Bodmas now, 4 by 7 of 441, half in the sense, only we'll write as a into 441 and divided by, so I have 18 here. After that there is a 14, I'm writing that 14 part also. I think 7 it will go, 7 sixes are 42, there will be 2 left over. 7 into 3, 21 I can write it. 63 and 18 both are 9 multiples. 9 sevens are 63, 9 twos are 18 I can divide, and 2 I can divide 2 times, 2 twos are 4, and 2 into 7 I got 14 here, this is 14. On the right hand side, this is root question mark I write as x, and this is also root x I write, and 14 plus 14 I write root x is equal to 14 plus 14 as 28, and if I take x the root that side, it will be 28 whole square na? And 28 whole square in the sense which you write as a 784 basically. I'll explain again. 4 by 7 of 441 into 4 by 7 into 441 divided by 18. By solving that all together, this value all together I got 14. Already there is 14. So 14 plus 14 which is equal to 28. Root x equal to 28. If I take root that side, it will become square. So 28 square which is equal to 784. Clear? The next example. 8 2 by 3, 4 by 5. These type of examples. How you do it? Basically, what you learn from the schools in a sense, 3 into 8 will multiply. For that, we'll add 2. 24 plus 2, 26 by 3. And similarly, 5 into 6, 30 plus 4, 34 by 5. So, we'll add these two cases. By taking LCM, we'll calculate that. But it's a long process here. So, here I'll explain one more shortcut here. So, actually, 8 and 6, these are called integers. And 2 by 3, 4 by 5, these are called decimal part. So, what you do? Add the integer part, decimal part separately. So here the calculation it will be very easy. Now what is the integer part I said? In the first case integer is 8, second case integer is 6. First case decimal part is 2 by 3 and second case decimal part is 4 by 5. Add these two separately. 8 plus 6, 14, it's very easy. And 3 and 5 LCM is 15. And 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 10. I get 12 plus 10. 12 plus 10 in the sense 22 by 15. So 15 ones are 15, it will go 7 is the remainder, 7 by 15. I think all of you know this complex division, otherwise I'll explain here. 22 we are dividing with the 15 means 15 it will go one time, it will be left over 7, that's we write as 1 7 by 15. Coefficient, remainder, divisor, 1 7 by 15. This is the decimal part I got it, this is the integer part I got it. We have to add the now integer part and decimal part. So integer part is 14, decimal part is 1 7 by 15. Again 1 is an integer, now add to the 14. 14 plus 1, it will become 15. So 15 7 by 15, that will be the final answer for us. Clear? 8 plus 6 is 14, that is what you get integer part. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5, which I get 1 7 by 15. Again 1 is an integer. If I add that, we'll get 15 7 by 15. That is how we get it. Clear? Let's take one more example. And here also, add the integer, add the decimal separately. Directly I write the integer part. This is 12. This is 16, this is minus 10. 12 plus 16, 28, 28 minus 10, 18. So directly I am writing integer part here. Now concentrate on the decimal part. 13 by 18 in the first case and 11 by 27 in the second case minus 5 by 9 in the third case. 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. All are 9 multiples. So LCM also will get a 9 multiple. Na? So 27 2s are 54. So 54 is LCM. So let's check. 18 it will go 3 times. 3. 18 3s are 54. Now 3 into 13 we have to multiply. 3 into 13 is 39. And 27 it will go 2 times. Now we have to multiply 2 with 11. 2 11s are 22. Next case. 9 it will go 6 times. Now 6 we have to multiply. 6 into 5 is minus 30. I have to write minus 30 here. Now 13 plus 22 and minus 30 I have to write it. So 13 minus 39. 9 plus 22. It will be 31. 31 by 54 finally what I get here. So 31 by 54 is the integer part, sorry, decimal part. 18 is the integer part. I have to add these two now. If I add it directly, 18 plus 31 by 54, what I get it? This is the value directly I can take it. 18 31 by 54. Is it clear? So we are adding integers and decimals separately. In that case, the calculation is very easy. Let's take one more example in the same model. Integer and decimal cases are set separately. So one here, 1 here, minus 2 here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So integer part is 0. No need to write that. So concentrate on the only decimal part. 3 by 4 first case, 5 by 8 second case, minus 4 by 5 third case, and half is the fourth case. 2, 4, 8, all are multiples. 8 into 5 directly I'll write. 8 into 5, 40 is the LCM. Now 4 it will go 10 times. So 10 into 3, 30 here. Next here 8. It will go 5 times. So we have to multiply 5 into 5, which you write as a 25. And 5, it will go 8 times. Minus here there. 8 into 4 I write as a 32. Next 2, it will go 20 times. I have to multiply 20 into 1, 20. Now add the cases. 30 plus 25, 55. 55 plus 20, 75. 75 minus 32, which I get finally 43 divided by 40. 43 divided by 40. Let's check 40, it will go how many times? 40, it will go one time now. If you go for one time, so what is the remainder left over? 3. So we'll get 1 3 by 40. So 40, it will go one time, 3 is the remainder. So 1 3 by 40. But I don't have 1 3 by 40. So I have to go for option none of these. So this is how you take it integer and decimal separate, that fraction questions. Fraction is nothing but decimal part. The numbers are called integer part. So add the integers, add the decimal separately. Then the calculation is very easy in this case. Is that clear? Let's take next example. And altogether it is in the part of square root. Now as I said again here also follow Bodmas. We have to do it first of all 184 divided by 23. First I'll do that part. Now 23 it will go how many times? I said always let's check unit digit case. So 23 we have to get 4 means 28s are 60 and 8 3s are 24. Almost it will go 8 times now. Let's check 8s it will work or not. 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. It is working like that. Check the unit digit cases here, then guessing that is easy. Now right here 12 into 184 by 23, that I got 8 already, and plus 26 minus 73 I got it here. So 12 into 8 96 and plus 26 minus 73. This is the case I have to take it. If I take it here 96 minus 73, that will be 23. 23 plus 26, which will be 49. Under square root I got 49. 49 in the sense I'll get 7. So under square root I got 49 here altogether. So the value simply I can call it as a 7. Is it clear? So first here we have to follow this Bodmas. First we have to take it division. That I got 8. 12 into 8, 96. 96 plus 26 minus 73, which I got 49, which I can take it as a simply 7. Clear? Let's take next example. One more in that case. Now let's again, it is also in the form of square roots. Let's take how we take it in this case. First of all, in these type of cases, always we have to start under the square root. Under the square root in the sense this value. This 169, how to start it. Let's take this part, 169 part. If you take this 169 part, what is that 169? Square root of 169 is nothing but 13. Now if you go for, if I write the value here, 248 plus square root of 51, square root of 169 is nothing but 13. Now this one I can take it, 51 plus 13, square root of 248, 51 plus 13 is nothing but 64. Actually I'll get root 64 here. So root 64 means I'll continue here, root 64 means square root of 248 square root of 64 in the sense what I get 8 now. So 248 plus 8. 248 plus 8 I'll get 256. Under square root of 256 in the sense finally I get how much? 16. Finally I get 16. So the answer I can get 16. Clear now? 248 plus 8, 256. So finally the answer I'll get 16. Is it clear? Square root of 169 is 13. 51 plus 13, 64. Root 16 by 15 half 12 by 11. Half 1 by 5 of 7425. So this half case is what I said. So half in the sense it's like into na, directly I'll write into. Let's check 7 by half, that I write 7 by 15 into 12 by 11. Directly I write 12 by 11 into 1 by 5. Directly I write 1 by 5 into 7425. Let's cancel whatever the values we can take it here. So 7 by 15 into 12 by 11, 1 by 5. I think here 12 and 15, that is only thing we can cancel in this case. 3/4 and 3/5 I can cancel. Let's check 5 and 5. So definitely 25 means these are divisible by 5 cases. Let's check, and here one more 11. Let's check what we can take it here. So 11 cases we'll check it once if it is divisible or not. So 11 sixes are 66. Then it will be there 82. I have 82 means 11 sevens are 77, I can take it. Then 5 will be there, 11 fives are 55. So it will go exactly 675 times. And again I have 5. So I can check with the 5 na. So 5 and 5, how many times it will go? 5 fives are 25. So we can take that cases again. Otherwise, 5 ones are 5 and there will be 17. 5 threes are 15 and there will be 25 again. 5 fives are 25. Look at 5 ones are 5 and once you take it out there will be 17. 5 threes are 15. There will be 2 left over, 25 again. 5 I can cancel. So 5 twos are 10 and there will be what we can get, 3 will be left over. 5 sevens are 35. So what will be left over? 7, 4 and 27. So I have 7, 4, 27 are left over. So what do you do? That is equal to what percentage of 5400? That I write as x percent of 5400. So don't multiply any numbers here, I will take in the end. So I'll write here. So x is equal to that number I have to calculate now. How much percentage? X percent of. So what do you write directly? 7 into 4 into 27 into 5400 by into 100. This is the value I have to get now. Into 100 in the sense I can cancel zeros. 27 twos are 14 and 2 twos are 4. I can cancel simply 7 twos are how much? 14. Simply I can cancel 7 twos are 14. That is the value what you take it. Clear? 7 by 15 into 12 by 11 into 1 by 5 into 7425. If I cancel all the values, I got 7427 here. So 7427, I am not multiplying anything. So x percent of 5400. So x is equal to 7 into 4 into 27 by 5400 into 100. If you solve it, we will get 14. Clear? Let's check next example here. Again on percentages, what percentage of 400 plus 40% of 160 is equal to 17% of 400. I have to take it that case. So that question mark I am writing as x. If you go for here x, that case what I write it x percent of 400 I write directly, and 40% of 160 that I write directly value. Look at how it calculate. Always calculate 10%. 10% is 16. 40% means 4 16s are 64. This one. Each 1% is 4. I like 17% I require. 17 4s are 68. If I take 64 this side, so x percent of 400 is equal to 68 minus 64, which is 4. So what percentage of 400 is 4? That's nothing but 1% directly I can say. Otherwise you can go for cross multiplication also. 4 by 400 into 100. 400 by 400, which you get 1. So directly I can say it's nothing but 1%. What you take it easily. Is it clear? So x percent of 400 I'm writing. 40% of 160 is 64. Next case is 68. I'll get 4. What percent of 400 is 4? I know that 400 you have to get 4 means it's simply 1%. Let's check. This one, what do you do? Take numerator part separately, denominator part separately, then it will be easy. If you go for numerator part first, this one, 2 by 2 minus of, that means 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, that is a numerator part. And come to the denominator part, 3 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 I can write, which is simply 10 by 3. Now what will happen? So this 2 will go to the top now, 2 into 2 it will be 4 by 3. Similarly, this 3 will go to the top, 3 into 3 it will be 9 by 10. So 4 by 3 by 9 by 10, 4 by 3, 9 by 10 again it will go to the top, it will be 10 by 9. So 4 into 10, 40 and 3 9s are 27. I'll get simply 40 by 27. That will be the answer. So 2, this will be 3 by 2, 3 and the bottom part is 10 by 3. If 2 go to the top, it will be 4 by 3. It will be 9 by 10. 9 by 10 if I take the top, it will be 10 by 9. If I solve it, I'll get 40 by 27 simply. Clear? Let's check next example here. 6.312 whole square minus 4.688 whole square divided by same way 6.312 minus 4.688 plus 11. Look at how it is here. Actually, it is like a square minus b square by a minus b. Na? I know a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b, and divided by again I have a minus b. If I cancel that, I'll be left over a plus b. That means a plus b means what is that? 6.312 plus 4.688. So 6 plus 4, 10 and decimal 0.3, 0.6 means it almost 1. 6 plus 4, it will be 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So this means a square minus b square by a minus b. All together I'll get 6 plus 4 decimal 1. Total we get 11. After that there is one more 11. So 11 plus 11 I'll get total answer as 22 simply. I'll get the answer totally as 22, that one. Look at this one also. I think almost similar cases. It's like what? A cube plus b cube and same number. It's like a squared minus ab plus b squared. It is like that. So actually I know a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube is uh, it's nothing but what? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Actually this a square minus ab plus b square they have taken it to the bottom here. So I'll be left over how much a plus b. Simply there is a value. Here in the place of a there will be 6.432. In the place of b there will be 3.568. So 6 plus 3 9 integer part, decimal part is 1. So 9 plus 1 totally will get 10. So totally the value what you get here is nothing but 10. Clear? So totally that value what you get here is nothing but 10. Is it clear? So like a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square, which you simply write as a plus b. By adding that I'll get simply 10.